open a makeup advent calendar with me. I am so excited to open this. I love advent calendars, but the last one disappointed me and I was not too happy about that. So I'm excited because I don't think this one will disappoint me. Also, if you guys want to purchase this, this is at Target and it was only $20. Okay, let's start with day 1. If I can do it with my nails. I'm really struggling. Oh, I got it. I'm so excited. Okay, first we got these festive nail stickers. Okay, this is cute. Don't see how it's makeup, but it's cute. Day 2 is already, like, being opened. Oh, it's Elf! This is so cute. Their Power Grip Primer is really good, too. Day number 3. I feel like I've seen Lola Winters open this because I recognize these products. Okay, we got a NYX setting spray. I definitely saw Lola Winters open this. I remember all these products. Let's test this out and see if it smells like marshmallow. Oh, it definitely does. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, day 4. I would not suggest opening this with nails. I got a beauty blender. I always dirty my beauty blender, so these always come in handy. Okay, day 5. This is a weird shape. I wonder what's in here. Oh, it's a NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, cute. I had these, like, as I was growing up all the time. And it definitely smells like butter. Day 6. Ow. I just bit my tongue. Oh, the whole thing's falling apart. Oh, no. Guys, this is... Okay. We got some makeup wipes. I have lots of makeup wipes, but I like this brand. We're just gonna pretend it didn't just bust. We're going out of order now. I don't remember. Wait, maybe I'm not. 7? Oh, we already opened 7? Okay, never mind. We're gonna go for 8. Eye drops? That seems like such a strange thing to come in a little thing. But my eyes are always red, so this actually might help a lot. Okay, I just want to open day 10. I can't wait. It's massive. Oh my gosh. Me and my friend were sending these to each other because we wanted to try it. I'm definitely filming a video about this. Like, you put them in your hand and then it, like, starts a cleanser and stuff. It's just so cool. Okay, let's go for day 9 or 6 or whatever this is. If I can get it open. Oh my gosh, no way. I literally just bought a setting spray today, though. Oh, it's the Elf setting spray. Let's try this. Smells good. Love Elf. Okay, day 12. We're kind of just ripping this thing open at this point. Whitening strips. Okay, I need these. I was gonna buy some anyway, but I'm so happy I got them. Okay, I'm gonna see if I missed anything. Oh, okay, I missed 2 things. Back and go. Okay, we got a little powder puff, thank you. And then this, micellar cleansing oil. I don't know, kind of weird packaging, but I mean, it's good, I guess. My top 3 favorite products were these cleansing things, the whitening strip, and probably the setting sprays. I would 100% repurchase this advent calendar, and you guys need to go buy this at Target for only 20 bucks. It is so worth it. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna be posting the skincare advent calendar, so stay tuned. Mwah. Bye guys, love you.